Well, for years, Indian technology professions they have helped transform North Texas into one of America's fastest growing region, right? Cities like Fresco, maybe Salina, they have become popular destination for Indian families working in tech sector. New homes they were built over there. Businesses expanded and entire communities grew around the arrival of skilled professions. In fact, so many Indians settled in this area that some residents they jokingly started calling it Dallas Ram. But now that success story, it is facing new challenges. The reason? Simple. Uncertainty. Over the past years, layoffs in the tech sector, strict immigration policy, and concern about the future H-1B visas, it has made many families more cautious. People who were once very eager to buy homes, they are now delaying major financial decisions. In fact, some homeowners, they are even putting properties on the market because they are just very unsure about how long-term job security is going to work for them or not. The impact it is also visible. Home prices in several North Texas suburbs it has started falling, and builders they are finding it very hard to attract the buyers. For many Indian professionals, the fear that's not about losing a job, it's about what happens next. The H-1B workers typically they have a limited period of time just to find a new employer, right? If they lose their first job, and that uncertainty that is affecting housing decisions, investment, in fact, the future plans. Well, the story it shows how closely immigration, jobs, and economy everything is connected. When skilled workers they feel uncertain, entire communities can feel the whole impact. The tech industry it continues to face a period of major change. Uber is the latest company making the headlines now. The ride-hailing giant it has announced a fresh round of layoffs affecting employees within its people and places division. Well, the team responsible for human resources, recruitment, and workplace operation. Here, reports suggest that about 23% of employees in this division they have been impacted. While Uber insists that these layoffs they are not related to artificial intelligence, but how can you ignore the timing? Timing has raised questions now. Across the tech industry, companies are reconstructing, companies are cutting costs, and looking for ways to become more efficient here. And at the very same time, businesses are investing heavily in AI tools or maybe automation. Now, as a result, many workers are wondering what the future really holds for traditional corporate roles. For Indians working in the US technology sector, every layoff announcement it creates a lot of maybe concern or anxiety. Thousands of Indian professionals they are employed by major tech companies, the biggies, and many are on work visas that depend on continued employment. Losing a job can create additional immigration challenge for them, and that American citizens they do not face it. Although Uber says that the reconstructing is designed to simplify operations and improve efficiency. But let's be honest, the announcement is another reminder that tech sector remains unpredictable. Employees across the industries they are closely watching how companies balance growth, automation, and workforce reduction.